Getting cards for international transactions is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. The first platform is called Slice, accessible at sliceit.com, offering a straightforward way to add UPI, borrow effortlessly, and make flexible payments. You can feel easy with money is another UPI, but the fastest one. Your account for everyday payments will have zero fees and it has a digitally prepaid account. Next is Payzy, presenting a global payment solution called Payzy. Opening a Payzy account is quick, easy, and free. Access your e-wallet and top up online or via the Payzy app and start spending in minutes. Happy days. It will provide you the flexible funds. You can send and receive online payments in 50 plus currencies and make instant transfers between your accounts and other pay users. You are in safe hands. They use the latest technology and security systems to keep your money safe and secure. It allows you to send, receive, and manage your money in multiple currencies, offering flexibility and the ability to create cards for various occasions. You can use the PC card in up to 8 different currencies, making it ideal for international transactions. Now, PYYPL is another platform providing a virtual MasterCard for worldwide spending. You can visit PYYPL.com to explore its features, including online shopping across billions of stores and limited-time cashback offers. The application process is quick and easy, with options to pre-register, verify, top up, and spend. You will also get to know what PYYPL is. So PYYPL, pronounced People, is a non-bank digital app which gives everyone access to the financial system through a smartphone. With an internationally accepted prepaid Visa, conducting transactions with people is as simple as sending a message. Let's see how it works. You can apply for a card in seconds, get instant access, top up with ease, and manage your money anytime, anywhere. AstroPay, accessible at astropay.com, offers a free virtual credit card with the convenience of paying in any currency. You can enjoy features such as secure card details, rewards, and compatibility with Apple Pay. Their virtual card is used to shop online. Get your virtual Visa in seconds. Shop online across millions of stores worldwide. Enjoy limited-time cashback offers and pay your bills with a tap of your phone. You can enjoy contactless payments anytime, anywhere. It will be used across 50 plus million stores worldwide. The money transfer is only available in selected markets, where you can send money home. Keep your payments protected with advanced data encryption. Then, stay informed of your app usage with push, email, and text notifications. Get help whenever you need it from our friendly chat support agents. After that, you have the top up and spend. You can download the mobile app for a seamless experience. Barter is another platform that lets you send and receive money globally. Create a virtual dollar card that works online anytime and anywhere. Download the app on Android or iOS devices to explore its features. Skrill, available at skrill.com, provides a virtual credit card for quick checkouts, digital wallets, and rapid transfers. You can use it for online shopping with various stores. The popular topics of Skrill are account, payments, crypto, international money transfer, security, and Skrill card. Explore more on their website and try out their virtual credit card. Lastly, we have the iCard, accessible at iCard.com, which offers 2 free virtual Visa and MasterCard for online shopping. You can enter the feature of payments. Open a forever free money management account from the comfort of your phone. It takes just a few minutes and you can connect with people who use iCard in over 30 European countries. It provides the best solution such as speed, convenience, security, 24/7 control. You can open an account from anywhere in less than 5 minutes. See your balance updated in real time and get instant notifications for any transaction. You can open additional IBAN accounts for any of the 7 supported currencies instantly. It provides the iCard Visa debit card, which is free to order and activates only with the free standard plan. It also provides the virtual cards. Don't be a victim of a corporate financial data breach or a hacker attack. You can use virtual cards to proactively protect yourself when shopping online. They are perfect when you need to pay for subscriptions, content, in-app or game purchases, products, or services from unknown brands and sellers. You'll get one free iCard Visa virtual card and one free iCard virtual MasterCard. You can order up to 20 and even delete each virtual card after a single online payment. You can get licenses, cards, and payment schemes. Also, you can see the details of iCards under the About Us section. Visit each platform's website or mobile application to explore and determine which one suits your needs best. So this was all about how you can get cards for international transactions. You can follow this tutorial to get virtual debit or credit cards to use for online transactions, protecting yourself for any frauds, scams, or hackers. So go through all the options and pick the one that you like the best. If you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.